If you are tackling a larger project that requires installing many nails, a nail gun is a faster tool and requires less elbow grease than a hammer. When looking for a nail gun, keep in mind the type of diavogics you intend to work on, as that will determine the type of nail gun you need. Dean Biermeier, general contractor, carpenter, and member of the Spruce's Home Improvement Review Board, recommends homeowners tackling small projects such as hanging holiday lights or tacking down carpet. Typically, will get more use out of small or trim nailers. If you're doing major remodeling work, however, you'll need a large framing nailer or roof nailer. Many products are available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of customer reviews, and compiled a list of the best nail gun from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 18-gauge brad nailer kit. A good nail gun should be easy to use, long-lasting, and drive a nail quickly and cleanly without any issues. To do this, the nail gun needs to have a tough build and options you can customize while working. The DeWalt brad nail kit checks all these boxes, making it our top pick. The sturdy construction means this tool is going to last, while the rubber grip helps absorb shock and keep your hands comfortable even during a long work session. This is a lightweight nail gun, the lightest on our list, with a sequential style trigger and rear exhaust vent that keeps dust and small particles away from you. This brad nailer runs off of a separate air compressor hose and uses 18-gauge nails ranging from 5/8 to 2 inches in length. It has a 100 nail working capacity and a lot of options to customize how you use the tool. You can control the nail depth with a simple tool-free adjustment. Number 2. Pneumatic brad nailer. Many budget-friendly nail guns compromise on quality, but the reasonably priced pneumatic brad nailer stands out for its robust performance, capable of effortlessly handling various DI tasks. Engineered to effectively fire 18-gauge brads ranging from 3/8 inch to 2 inches in length, this nail gun serves as an excellent introductory or supplementary tool for those seeking to enhance their toolkit. Compatible with any air compressor, it operates within a versatile range of 60 to 115 psi, ensuring ample power to securely drive nails into sturdy materials. Moreover, the nail gun is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring a built-in rubber grip on the handle. This rubber component serves to absorb the recoil generated with each shot, significantly enhancing the ergonomic experience of using the tool. Considering its affordability, it's challenging to find a nail gun as durable and versatile as this one, making it an ideal choice for a wide array of household or outdoor projects. Number 3. Bostitch BTFP3 Kit Air Compressor. While most pneumatic nail guns will work with any air compressor, it can be easier on the wallet if everything comes together in one package. A combo kit like this option from Bostitch includes everything you need to get going with your fastening project. You will get 3 nail guns, an 18-gauge brad nailer, a 16-gauge finish nailer, and a 3/8 inch crown stapler along with an air compressor and tank. That means you'll be set to tackle all manner of DIY projects, including light carpentry, installation of molding, furniture repair, and many other fastening tasks. The air supply starts with a 150 max psi 6-gallon tank. The air compressor pumps at a constant 100 psi. That means you should have enough power to drive nails and staples into most hard surfaces. Dial back the air pressure on the pump for less force when working with softer materials. Since it includes an air compressor, you will have an extra tool to store, so keep that in mind. Number 4. Bostitch Pneumatic Framing Nailer. An exceptional professional-grade framing nailer offers enhanced versatility and durability, capable of withstanding the demanding conditions often encountered in extensive projects. The Bostitch Pneumatic Framing Nail Gun is adept at firing framing nails ranging from 1/12 inches to 3/12 inches into various wood types and even certain metals, facilitated by its interchangeable nosepieces tailored for wood or metal connectors. Simplifying depth adjustment is a push-button depth guide, streamlining the process as you navigate through different project sections. When connected to a preferred air compressor, the nail gun operates within a range of up to 120 psi, delivering a maximum force of 1,050 inch-pounds through its 60-nail magazine, making it ideal for substantial undertakings like home additions or large deck construction. While its power may exceed the requirements of smaller die tasks, it's perfectly suited for major projects. Notably, it lacks a case for storage and transportation, and while heavier than some air compressor powered tools, it remains competitive in weight compared to other options on the market. Number 5. Numax Pneumatic 2-in-1 Brad Nailer. The Numax 2-in-1 Brad Nailer is proof that some budget options don't skip out on features usually found only on far more expensive tools. One common feature many expensive nail guns offer is the ability to use multiple types of nails and brads. For a fraction of the cost, this gun gives you similar flexibility. Using either common 2-inch 18-gauge or 1/5/8-inch narrow staples, this is a great choice for DIY projects such as installing chair rails, crown molding, decorative trim, baseboards, or window casings. Another professional feature this gun includes is a no-mar tip. When working on delicate surfaces, this tip prevents the gun from digging in and doing major damage. That's a major plus when nailing into fragile materials such as decorative trims, baseboards, and various types of molding. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.